Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and home innovation. Today, we're excited to show you what might just be the best indoor TV antenna you can get your hands on. The 2025 Long-Range Indoor TV Antenna by fuioopasz. If you're tired of hefty cable bills and subpar streaming quality, this product might be exactly what you need. Let's dive in. This digital TV antenna is designed with a powerful built-in amplifier and the latest intelligent IC chip, giving you crystal clear access to local channels in 4K and 1080p HD. That means you can enjoy CBS, NBC, ABC, Fox, PBS, and many more, all for free. It supports VHF and UHF frequencies, so you're not missing out on any of the action, news, sports, or drama you love. What makes this antenna stand out is its innovative 360-degree signal reception. Unlike traditional flat antennas, this one features a unique ring design with two foldable wings. If you're living in an urban area close to transmission towers, you can open the wings for complete 360-degree coverage. But if you're in a rural area or farther from a tower, simply fold the wings in to focus the reception toward the signal source. This dynamic design allows for optimized performance wherever you live. It boasts an impressive maximum range of up to 120 kilometers. That's 120,000 meters. Whether the tower is near or far, the advanced digital signal processing chip ensures reduced interference and clearer picture quality. Even in low signal areas, the booster technology enhances your reception, minimizing pixelation and maximizing clarity. And this antenna isn't just built for the living room. It's engineered with a waterproof cover, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. You can place it on a windowsill, mount it on a wall, or even install it outside on an RV or under your eaves. No matter the weather, this antenna delivers stable performance. Installation is a breeze. It comes with a 16.5-foot coaxial cable, giving you the flexibility to find the best signal spot. Just plug it into your TV's cable, and port. Place the antenna where it can pick up the best signal, usually near a window, and run a quick channel scan. That's it. In just minutes, you're ready to watch free HD TV. The design is sleek, the build quality feels solid, and the performance speaks for itself. If you're cutting the cord or just want a backup for local channels, this is one of the best solutions available right now. It's compatible with both smart and older TVs, supports resolutions all the way up to 8K, and works great with various digital broadcast standards. So, is this the best indoor TV antenna for 2025? It certainly checks all the boxes: performance, range, durability, and ease of use. If you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed TV antenna, the fuioopasz 2025 model is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.